Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a coloring book that you can sell as a KDP product on Amazon, and I think you're going to be pretty blown away with the new tools that have recently been released. And this is one that I've just recently listed on Amazon, so I've got a beauty book that I've created, and I'll just quickly flick through some of the pages to give you an idea of how they've actually turned out. So I do think they're actually pretty cute. Now, when we are selling any kind of products online, we want to ensure that they are actually in high demand. So how we can do that is using Artisly, which is the AI generation tool that we're going to be using today. And if you've never heard of this one before, basically you only have to pay once for lifetime access, which has been such a game changer. I will be leaving my link down below if you'd like to check it out further, but let's jump on in. So when you first log into Artisly, this is the page that you are going to come to. What we're going to do is click on this option here, so My Purchases, and then we are going to select this Niche Finder option here. So we'll go to Niche Finder. Now we'll go through each of the options, but the one that we're going to be using is this Evergreen Cash Cow. So it says discover digital product niches that maintain steady sales regardless of season or trend cycles. So basically these are products that sell all year round. And how you use this tool is we do have the book information displayed on the left hand side. It also shows the estimated monthly sales along with the estimated monthly revenue and the price that the product is being sold for. So as you can see from this one product alone, they are making quite a bit of money, which is awesome. Now what I'm going to do is use this search bar in the top right hand corner, and I'm just going to write in animals. You can write in coloring books or recipe books, whatever it is that you're creating. And this is going to give me some details of different animal books that are currently in high demand. Now I really like this one, so what we can do is click on it, and it is going to take us through to the Amazon link where we can get some more information just to get an idea of how we can create our book as well. So with this one here, we can see that we've got 8.5 by 11 inches, which is the size that they've used, and then they've also got 100 unique and fun pages to cover. So what we'll do is we can save this one if we like by using this plus on the left hand side. So we can go plus, you can create a folder or just save it to your current folder, and this will show up in your save books options. So this has now determined what kind of product we want to be making. We're going to jump back onto Artisly and we are going to be creating the book. So we are in Artisly at the moment, and the first thing that we're going to be doing is creating the first page of the inside of our coloring book. So how we can do that is by using this AI Art Illustrator option up the top here. So we'll just select this one, and then we are going to be choosing this coloring page option here. Now for the prompt, we are going to be using this book belongs to. This is all going to be in quote marks, in big bubble letters at the top, one line underneath, one small heart, thick black outlines, lots of white space, easy for toddlers to color in. Oh, sorry, please excuse my spelling. I'll just clean that one up a bit. Perfect. Now for my coloring books, I like to use the size 8.5 by 11 inches. So the dimensions that I'm going to be selecting is this one here. And then I'm just going to change this over to 4 images to generate. Now I have actually prepared this one here already that we'll be using, but I just wanted to see how these ones turned out as well. Okay, that one's pretty cute, but it looks like it spelt it wrong, just slightly. If you need to redo it, you can select this eyeball and just select regenerate. I found because there's quite a bit of wording involved, you do need to do this a few times in order to get it right. But now that one's all done, we are going to be looking at how to actually create the inside of our coloring pages. So what we'll be doing is selecting this AI design agents up the top here. And we are going to select Coloring Book Advance. Now for our book title, we're just going to go cute animals. And for the theme, we're just going to write baby animals. Now as you can see, you can do up to 30 pages at a time. I'm just going to do 20 just to give you an idea of how it actually works. And the style that we're going to be using is this coloring page as well, because it is best suited for younger children, which is the target audience that we're going for. Now for the reference prompt, this is basically just coming up with one prompt, and then what the system is going to do is it's going to take that same prompt and then apply it to that same particular theme. So for this one, we're going to go adorable baby puppy, cute, wearing a head bow, minimal, perfect for a young toddler. Now for the intro pages, I am just going to be selecting the this belongs to that we created. This is kind of just a placemaker. We're not actually using this, but I just wanted to show you guys how we actually do it. So we'll select this one, and we're also going to do this for the ending page as well. And we'll just use this one for now. And we are going to click on generate coloring book. Awesome, so our coloring book is completed, and I'm just going to show you guys what it actually looks like. So I'm going to select read here, and we'll just go through the pages together. So these are actually turned out really cute. Now I don't like this one. I feel like it's way too big for the page, but I would say majority of it is actually really nice. I don't like him either, or this one, something's going on with its eye. But most of the images are really usable in my opinion, so I actually really like that. So we'll just exit out of this section here, and what we're going to do is select download all images. And I'll show you how to actually put a book together separately. So instead of actually doing this straight away, I would definitely recommend taking these images and just filtering out the ones that you actually like, don't like. You can also go back to the AI art illustrator and create more pages if you needed, or you can go back and repeat that same process and then just kind of get as many images together for your book that you're looking to create. Now once you've done that, what we can do is click on this AI Storybook Studio option up the top here, and we are going to be selecting coloring books. Now for this, we'll just go cute animals, and the dimensions that we use was the 3 by 4 inches, so make sure that you just change that one to be suitable for you. Now for our cover image, we're going to be using the This Belongs To. I'll actually show you separately in another video how to create a cover page. So for Amazon KDP, you do need to upload an image that covers the front page, the back page, as well as the spine. So that's why I like to use this one instead, just so it's the first page of the inside of the coloring book. Now for the coloring pages, I'm just going to upload that file that we just downloaded. So I've got all of these images, and we're just going to be selecting the ones that we actually want to use. So in this case, I'm just going to go through and kind of filter out the ones that I don't like. I'm not actually listing this, but more just showing you guys how it's actually used. So we'll just select all of these ones for now. And this tool is great because it actually upscales your images and changes them to 300 dpi, meaning that they are going to be high quality for your customers. Now for this as well, it is important that we tick this, so it's going to add blank pages between the images. So you know when you're coloring a coloring book page in and then it does bleed through to the other side, this is just making sure that we add this in to ensure that it is suitable. And once it's ready, we're just going to select generate coloring book. Awesome, so as you can see, that is really quick. You can have a read through if you just want to double check to make sure that you're happy with all the quality, and redo it if you need. Otherwise you can just download this KDP script here, and this is what you would be uploading on Amazon. So that comes to the end of our video. I hope that you've learned something new. I can't wait to see what kind of coloring books you do create, and I really hope that these tools help make that process so much faster. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.